Today, I'm gonna show you how to turn on voice chat in Arc Raiders and use a
Morgan Freeman voice
and Hatsune Miku voice changer in this game.
Let's get started.
Alright, so once you're loaded into the game, in order to turn on your voice chat, all you gotta do is go to the home page on the play section, and on the bottom right, you'll see a little cog settings menu. So click on that, and then on the top selection, you're gonna wanna go to the audio tab, and once you've opened that, you're gonna wanna scroll down on this section until you see voice chat right there. Now, you're gonna wanna turn that on, of course, from off to on if it's disabled, and on the voice chat input, you're gonna wanna select your microphone. Additionally, you can also use Arc Raiders built-in voice chat by scrolling down to the Raider voice beta, turn it on right here, and then you can select and preview each voice. So if we click on the left arrow,
Hey Raider, can you hear me?
Boom, there you go.
Good. Hey Raider, can you hear me all right?
So you can hear all the different voices available with their already built-in voice changer. But anyway, if you want to use more fun real-time
voice changers to troll players in Arc Raiders.
And in this case, you're going to want to scroll this voice chat input device until you see the correct device. That's not correct. VoiceWave microphone.
So that one is the correct input for my voice changer. Do you guys happen to know who I am?
You are
my long lost cousin.
Sackpot.
Oh, come on. I'm an award Academy winning person. You must know me. Very popular in these areas.
What are the areas, though?
You know, acting, voice acting, producing.
Give me a hint.
Like Hatsune Miku. You're a fan of Miku? No.
This latter thing.
Yeah, basically I'm a Vocaloid artist. Yeah, as a part of being one of the most popular artists there. I also know this ladder trick. Let me try this.
Is there like, oh, you just die.
It didn't quite work. It didn't work.
Well, that was almost a very successful Arc Raider run, but if you want to use a voice changer like this for yourself, let me show you a few of EaseUS VoiceWave's options, which goes from your favorite game characters to your favorite celebrities, politicians, normal TV actors, or also online personalities. So you can really find anything you'd like. But that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what game or type of voice trolling you'd like to see in the next upcoming videos.